being so good. Even Bandit's being good. He's laying over there in the sun.
It's just a snake.
What color is that, Riley?
Pulling it.
You're pulling it, yeah.
What color is this snake, honey?
Red.
Red.
Water and
Yeah, that's a good red.
Purple.
What's that other one?
A snake.
Oh, snake came apart.
Oh,
Now you have two snakes. Now you have three snakes.
I got a little one.
A
Yeah.
little one. Another little one.
oh my goodness, you're so good at that.
Oh, another little one. Another little one. Woo. How many little ones does she have, Grandma?
Do you want to count them? Should we see?
So busy.
More.
Well, we're still there
More.
multiplying yet, Grandma.
More.